Alright, we're continuing the intro to probability, and I'm actually going back to a problem here that I basically bumbled through and screwed up in the part 1 here of the intro to probability in 12.3, and I bumbled through it just because I had a brain fart when I was doing it. But this was the not an ace or a heart one. Well, not an ace, there are 48. I was right about that. 48 out of 52 that are not an ace, and or a heart, there are 13 out of 52 that are a heart, and or does mean I add them together. And I was right. I do get over 100%, which you can't have. However, you have to take out what's in common. How many cards are both of these? How many cards are hearts and aren't an ace? Well, there's the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9, 10, the jack, queen, and king of hearts. The ace we don't want, right? We don't want. So we have all of these that are all hearts that I counted in this right here. I counted it here, and then I counted it here. I counted them twice. So I need to get rid of those. I only want to count them one time. So I need to get rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I need to get rid of 12 out of 52 because that's what they have in common. So 61 minus 12 is 49. So the correct answer is 49 out of 52 is the correct answer to that. So I'm sorry for screwing that problem up there for you. So let me try to get to the problem that we were on here. Which one were we on here? Almost. Okay. Number cube is rolled 340 times, and the results recorded as follows. There were 53 ones, 58 twos, 47 threes, 56 fours, 55 fives, and 71 sixes. What is the experimental probability of not rolling a 5? Okay, well, not rolling a 5 would mean I rolled a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 6. So I rolled a 1 53 times out of 340. I rolled a 2 58 times out of 340. I rolled a 3 47 times out of 340. I rolled a 4 56 times out of 340. And I rolled a 6 71 times out of 340. So I just basically want to add them all together, and I end up getting 285 over 340. So 285 over 340, and let's see here, 285 over 340, I can simplify to 57 over 68. So 57 over 68. You, your friend, and 4 others are assigned seats at random in a row of 6 chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Was the probability that you and your friend will be seated next to each other? Okay, well, there's you and a friend. Okay, so you and your friend and 4 others. And what's the probability that they will be sitting beside each other? Well, you two could sit here. Okay, so there's one option. You two could sit here. So there's another option. So that's 2 options. You could sit there. That's another option. You guys could sit there. That's another option. And you guys can sit there. And there's another option. So it's 5 options. Other than that, I can't have someone sit there and then him sit there because there's someone in the middle of them. So I have them sitting everywhere. So there's 5 options of them sitting beside each other. And there are 6 seats. So that means it's 6 factorial on the bottom. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 720. So really it's 5 over 720. So 5 divided by 720 is 1 out of 144. 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 1 out of before. Finding the probability that a randomly thrown dart will be in the shaded area. Well, this triangle is cut into 3 sections. Here is one section that I shaded in that color. Here is another section that I'm shading in that color. And here is the other section. So there's a total of 3 sections. 2 out of the 3 are shaded in. So there you go, 2/3. And other than that, I believe that is it. So if you have any other questions or concerns with probability, please feel free to let me know.